Let us start math paper first of S5BSc. Calculus of several variables. In FYBSc we have studied one variable function. In this paper we will study function of more than one variables. In this paper unit first is limit and continuity. First we will like to note that R denotes set of all real numbers. If each AI is non-empty set, then Cartesian product of A1, A2, An is equal to set of all ordered n tuple A1, A2, An such that AI belongs to capital AI. Next, if one of these Aj is empty set, then Cartesian product of A1, A2, An is empty set. Next, R square is R cross R, and which is set of all ordered pairs xy such that xy belongs to set of reals. Next, R cube is R cross R cross R, which is the set of all ordered triplets xyz such that xyz belongs to set of reals. Next, R raised to n is equal to R cross R n times, which is the set of all ordered n tuples x1, x2, xn such that xi belongs to R. Now we will move forward to our actual syllabus. In this unit, first definition is function of two variables. Let T be non-empty subset of R square. A rule F which assigns each ordered pair in D to a unique real number denoted by f of xy is called function of two variables. Here capital D is called domain of f and range of f is the set of all f of xy such that ordered pair xy belongs to capital D. As f of xy is a real number, therefore range of f is subset of set of reals. When we write f of xy is equal to z, the variables x and y are called independent variables and z is called dependent variable. We will also like to note, if a function f is given by a formula and no domain is specified, then domain of f is understood to be the set of all ordered pairs xy in R square for which function is well defined. Next definition is graph of a function. Let f from D to R be a function where D is subset of R square. Then graph of f is the set of all ordered triplet xyz in R cube such that z is equal to f of xy, where ordered pair xy is from capital D. That is the set of all ordered triplets xy f of xy. We replaced here z by f of xy. Thus the graph of f is the set of all ordered triplet xy f of xy belongs to R cube such that ordered pair xy is from capital D. Thus graph of a function f of two variables is a surface S with equation z is equal to f of xy. Our next definition is level curves of a function. Let f from D to R be a function where D is subset of R square. Then the set of all ordered pairs xy from R square such that f of xy is equal to k and k is some constant is called level curve of f. Next definition, function of three variables. Let D be non-empty subset of R cube. A rule f which assigns each ordered triplet in D to a unique real number denoted by f of xyz is called function of three variables. If we observe the definition of function of two variables and function of three variables, there is only one change. In definition of function of two variables, D is non-empty subset of R square. In this definition, function of three variables, D is non-empty subset of R cube. There is one example given of function of three variables. F of x, y, z is x square y plus y square z plus x, y, z. Next definition is function of n variables. Now we generalize the function of two variables, definition of function of two variables to function of n variables. There is only one change. As you can see, D is non-empty subset of R raised to n. A rule F which assigns each ordered n tuple in D to a unique real number denoted by f of x1, x2, xn is called function of n variables. Thank you for viewing this video.